Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Reopening of schools has become a major concern for all the stakeholders like parents, teachers and students. Everybody is concerned how the things will be executed when the schools reopen. In my previous video, I have told you that one of the states in India has decided to reopen their schools from the month of September or October. But they have decided that the schools will open with a certain protocol and they have already pre-planned everything. But will it be possible for all the schools in India? That is a big question. If we talk about private or so-called public schools, they are not so well equipped. Then what to talk about the government schools? In government schools, in one class there are more than 100 students. How will the authorities deal with this problem? That is a very big question to be asked. So everybody is really concerned about the same thing. So now in this video we are going to talk about the schools of New York, America. Like there also the authorities have decided that schools will reopen from the month of September. But the big thing is that there the teachers unions have opposed this decision of the authorities. They have said that they are not prepared for the reopening of schools because that is a major concern, that cleanliness should be there, that proper ventilation facility should be provided in the school. So schools need to be restructured and so many things are there. If the teachers of America are so much concerned, what will be the condition of the teachers of India when the schools reopen? Not only teachers, rather the parents will also be worried about the security and safety of their children. So that is a very big challenge for the government of our country as well, that if a country like America is not equipped, then how will we open our schools? So we have to see this thing. We have to face this big challenge, and it is really going to prove very difficult for the government of our country to deal with this problem. So let's see how the things unfold. So keep watching my videos on the latest updates related to education, and if you want to improve your English, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.